Hi guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making homemade pizza. Okay, let's get this started by having 2.5 cups of warm water right in front of you. Put in 2 tablespoons of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir until you see bubbles forming on the surface of the water. So if you don't see any bubbles forming, that's when you know that your yeast is too dry or your water is just not warm enough. Then get a large bowl, because this is the part where we'll be making the dough. So get 7 cups of flour and put it into the bowl. 1 tablespoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and your yeast mixture. Now stir. Make sure not to use your hands as it will get really sticky. Stir with a spoon or a spatula. So once the dough has started to take its shape and there's no liquid or residue left in the bowl, flip the bowl over and put the dough on the kitchen top. Now this is a part where we knead the dough until it becomes soft, smooth, and bouncy. To knead the dough is actually easy and surprisingly quite therapeutic. So all you gotta do is to fold the dough on top of itself, push it forward, fold it back again, push it forward, and you just want to repeat these 2 motions for at least 10 minutes. So what I do during this therapeutic session is I normally put on a TV show or a documentary or a podcast just to enjoy myself for these 10 minutes. To know when you're done kneading, press the dough with your finger, and if it springs back, that's when you know it's ready. So once we finish our therapeutic session, we gotta rest the dough. So put some olive oil into the bowl that we've been using. Put the dough back in and cover it up with something like a glad wrap or a piece of cloth. Leave it to rest for either an hour, or for the best results you want to leave it overnight. So to make the sauce, it's actually really easy. All you gotta do is just put some garlic and some oil in the pan, and then put in your can of tomatoes, and then cook it on a low heat until it simmers. Now look at that, look how much has risen. So put the dough back onto the kitchen table and knead it for another minute or 2 to even out the dough and release some of the air bubbles inside. So the serving I'm making contains 4 portions, so you want to knead the dough into a circle and cut it into 4 parts. What that means is you're having 4 pizzas. So next we're going to stretch the pizza into a circular shape. There's several techniques to do this. Some people use their hands. For me, I just like using a wooden rolling pin. I think a lot of you guys, including me, will have difficulty doing this because the hardest part is trying to make it into a perfect circle. So make it thinner than you think it should be, as it will slightly puff up during baking, and put it on the back of a baking tray. Or if you have, you can put it on a pizza tray. So here's the fun part, you can put anything on your pizza. So today we're just going with the tomato base that we've made just now, and we're also going to put in 2 types of cheese, cheddar and fresh mozzarella. Now to round everything nicely off, we're going to put in some fresh basil and a few drips of olive oil. So preheat your oven to as hot as it can go, slide the pizza in and cook it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, take it out, breathe in some of the nice aroma, put in your final condiments, and enjoy your meal. I'll see you next week. Alright, cheers man.
Cheers.
Ooh.
chili flakes. It's really good, dude. Yeah.
The other side, mate.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You want to try, Charlie?
What other toppings do you like to put on it, Jason?
Sometimes I would love to put seafood marinara. So what seafood marinara is just a mix of seafood. Just like clams, salmon, prawns. And sometimes you can do different base. So this is a tomato base, and you can do like barbecue base or just like garlic base. Yeah. The thing about pizza is like affords you so much flexibility in what you can do. You can see that the recipe makes 4 servings. That means you can make 4 pizzas of any kind that you want. You can put Nutella if you want.
So what inspired you to learn how to make pizza? Was it what you watched your documentary, you said?
No, I was failing a unit in university. Studying pizza. Yeah, I want to get Italian tricks. Don't pretend.
That was going.
No.
Like this video, subscribe down below. If you want to see the next episode, on this channel we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. See you next week, guys.